Hey folks, good afternoon. It's Corey back out here with the Schurz, and this is Hardwood Flooring Alpharetta. And today we've got the stain down and a first coat, and my crews are working on the shoe molding and also refinishing the handrails. I've got all the iron pickets out, so walk with me, check it out. Let me show you my stain color. Remember, this was all red oak to start with. This is a combination of classic gray and Jacobian. Shoe molding is being cut and installed. Stain, first coat, looks great. Check out the color. See how beautiful it is? There's Mr. Renato right there, the man. So here's our floor. Remember, I have the floor laced in. Excuse the dust right here. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna clean this up. Check out the handrails. See, you strip them all the way down to the raw wood. That way the wood will accept the stain just like what this raw wood did. My stairs, my clients have decided that they want solid oak treads, so I've got those outside. I've got 2 treads here that are custom built with this double return. So our wonderful delivery driver is bringing those, Mr. Anthony. Here's our double border at the fireplace. Handrails, the pickets have been removed, got a lot of sanding, all that is done by hand. No shoe molding goes around the tile, we sand up to that. A little bit of water damage that we had in this area, pretty much it disappeared. We work around the refrigerator. Once our client picks out the color, we sand, stain, and finish underneath it. Then we push it back and finish blending in. So this is Hardwood Flooring Alpharetta, and we are on schedule to get the handrails done today. And with the stain and the first coat, shoe molding done. And then tomorrow, I'll do 2 coats of polyurethane on the floor and then work on the stair treads, get those installed. And then Friday, I've got Franz coming in, and he is going to custom install all of my iron pickets. So, and then Friday I'll do the furniture as well, and we'll wrap it all up. So, currently working on my treads. So, it's a process. So give me a shout. I'm definitely in your area. If I'm not personally, then I know one of my other wonderful crews are, or my other flooring specialist. MrHardwoodInc.com, 6789 floors.